I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken bone broth. Making your own nutrient-rich bone broth is simpler than you might think, and it's incredibly rewarding. We'll start by gathering our main ingredient, chicken bones. Roasting them first adds a wonderful depth of flavor that you won't want to skip. Then, we'll get everything ready for a long, slow simmer. Next, let's talk about the supporting cast of ingredients that elevate your broth. We'll add aromatic vegetables like 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, which contribute a subtle sweetness and savory note. Don't forget the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. It's a crucial component that helps draw out all those beneficial minerals from the bones. A few peppercorns and bay leaves round out the flavor profile beautifully. Now for the cooking process, which is mostly hands-off. Pour enough cold, filtered water over your ingredients to fully submerge them, typically around 12 to 16 cups. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. This long, slow cook, ideally for 12 to 24 hours, is key to extracting all the collagen and nutrients, creating a rich, gelatinous broth. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, it's time for the final steps. Carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve, separating the rich broth from the cooked solids. Let it cool completely before portioning it into airtight containers. You can keep it in the refrigerator for about 5 days, or freeze it for several months, ensuring you always have this nourishing staple on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.